mamimili ng lugar ni Bonfires. Kung gustong magsisigaw at magtitilis, okay lang. Just to let them know that we are happy for you, Maymay. Ayan. Maymay looks lovely with her exquisite gown. And also, she was made beautiful by Emma. Ayan. And syempre, very able naman ang ating gentleman, si Edward, to escort our very beautiful lady. Once again, Merrydale at 20 now officially begins with Maymay, escorted by Edward, gracing our stage. So thank you very much. For indeed, we know that this is a special moment for Maymay. Sabi nga ni Mami Ludi, nagulat din siya.